I'm James Brown, and I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about the rainforest. The rainforest canopy. Rainforest trees spread their branches to make a dense canopy, 30 to 45 meters above the ground. Most plants and animals in a rainforest live in this leafy layer. Conditions at the upper part of the canopy. This is hush. Branches are tossed in high winds, soaked by heavy rain and scorched by the sun. The lower part of the tree canopy is more sheltered. The forest floor. The forest floor teems with life. Although many creatures are hidden, trees and plants draw nutrients from the soil. When animals and plants die, fungi, insects and bacteria break down their remains, releasing nutrients into the soil to feed more plants and to the cycle of life continue. The rainforest water world. During the dry season, the rainforest floor is home to many animals. However, during the rainy season, larger areas of the rainforest floor are flooded. Rainforest water is home to fish, caimans, piranhas and river dolphins. Save the rainforest. Rainforests are very fragile. Large areas of the rainforest are felled each year. Rainforest trees are cut down for timber and to provide land for farming. Destruction of the rainforest can even affect the world's climate. Because forests provide oxygen and recycle water. However, many governments are grouping up now, taking steps to save the rainforest.